So share with me, how might a client who's interested in this, what's the process from start to finish? Where do they begin? Here at Onus, we're going to be starting with what process to get them in the door.
It's so much easier than sometimes people think. It just starts with a lab test. So we can really dial in and drill down into the person's specific labs, and then a consultation. And during the consultation with me, we can discuss all of your symptoms that you're having, because they're unique to you, as well as your hormonal levels as well. And then there's other things that tie in, as vitamin deficiencies and minerals that, even though we're doing BHRT, are definitely going to need to be optimized if you're going to get the most from the hormonal therapy as well. And that includes DHEA. It includes looking at your B12, looking at your vitamin D levels, and making sure those are all optimized as well.
I know that's one of the reasons we're really excited to have this here at Onus. As part of the package of getting your BHRT pellets, we can also customize D3, B12 packages to optimize the hormonal results as well.
And they're integral. If they all work together synergistically. And so I do like to talk to my patients about their lifestyle. That could be contributing, because I'd love to replace their hormones and restore them to levels of when they were in their healthiest in your 20s and 30s. I like to call it hormone restoration. But I also then we need to make sure that their lifestyle is in place and that their nutrition is in place, and that includes the vitamin and minerals as well.
That makes perfect sense. It all needs to be optimized together in order to be effective.
Exactly.
Awesome.